This is a video showing the operation of a Jones & Shipman 540X automatic surface grinder. I have it in automatic mode right now. That readout is showing the cross-feed rate. That indicator is showing the elevation height of the wheel. That indicator is showing how many thousandths or millimeters, you can switch that, of incremental drop of the head when it hits the end of its cycle based on those trip dogs. I've got the trip dogs set very close so you can see the elevation hand wheel come down the 4 thousandths increment. It gives a slight beep when it hits the end of the cycle, and then we'll see, there you go, you see it rotated. Again, I have it locked out of hand feed mode. I've got it in automated mode, so the table is traversing based on the location of those trip dogs longitudinally, and also the trip dogs for in and out feed. Watch the hand wheel automatically drop when it hits the end of its set location. There it goes. I can turn the spindle on so you can hear how quiet it is. I don't have a wheel on it right now. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.